Hello friends, today we're gonna make attu in Indian style. Our ingredients are coriander, mint, oil, and onions, and idli batter. Now I'm gonna add the idli batter. Then I'm gonna
pour a little more.
okay. Then
Okay, can you spread it a little bit? That's it.
now I'm gonna add onion.
Wait until it gets a little bit cooked. So today you're gonna make attu.
Yeah.
Are you exploring?
Yeah.
You can spread the ingredients now.
I'm gonna spread some onions. Four.
Okay, you can sprinkle some coriander.
Okay.
Some more on the sides.
Okay.
Yeah. Some mint.
Okay.
Enough. Can you spread that coriander well? So does it look colorful?
Yep.
Let us see how it's gonna turn.
It's like dosa.
You wanna sprinkle some oil on it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Not on the top, on the edges.
Oh.
Leave it. So you're exploring how it is cooking with the help of heat?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need heat for anything to cook, right?
Uh-huh. Now what? Add some onions?
You're done with everything. You just have to flip it once it is done in the bottom. So this is your first time. How is it?
Good. And I was thinking this is a small dosa.
This is small dosa. Yeah, it's famous. Attu, we will say it as Uthappam.
I don't even know why is this idli batter because see the thing is why there like rice coming in. There should be rice in there. So
Yeah, because idli batter is a mix of rice, urad dal,
yeah.
and
So idli is made out of rice and so
idli batter is made out of urad dal and rice, and then we're gonna ferment it, and then idli batter comes up like this.
now it's cooked. Is it now cooked?
Yeah, you wanna try to flip by taking the edges out with the right hand, please.
Okay.
So, is that colorful?
Yeah.
It looks all colorful with coriander, mint,
so
onions.
the mint is turning brown, so that's what the cover is. Now
Now flip it. Whoa!
wow.
You made it!
It's red.
It's bread. It looks like bread.
It's bread.
Yeah, it's Indian style. Famous.
It's bread.
Uthappam. We will say it as attu. We will say it as
It's
Uthappam.
bread. It's bread. Bread. It's bread. Bread.
It looks like bread. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's not the same as attu, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So
let it cook, and then
you're gonna add it with the bigger.
yeah, then we're gonna flip it on the plate, and then you can taste it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's trying to cook some this first.
Show me your spatula with right hand.
Okay. Right hand with the spatula.
You like the haircut? What Mama did? Yeah. It looks really nice. Yeah, it looks real nice. Everyone liked your haircut?
Isn't it now cooked? So you put it 6 level, right?
Yeah, I put the flame at little medium level.
If you had give it a 8, fire flame would burn.
Yeah, of course.
You know, fire.
You should not be near to the high flame. That's why I'm cooking it in a medium
in
flame.
7 to 8.
Yeah. We don't want
But
high flame
but
when we
I
are
chose a
nearby the
higher
stove.
flame than omelet.
Yeah, because omelette will be done very quick, but attu it will take time to cook, so we have to cook it in the low flame. Ready? You just have to flip it on that. Okay? Just flip it on your plate. That's it. Yes. Good job. Good job. Put it on the
I think
cooktop.
that wasn't that. Now that I cooked my attu and Indian stuff, now I'm gonna taste it. It tastes really good. I hope you try this. Bye.